Hey everybody, Chris here. Are we going to see a Dogecoin Christmas breakout? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And we had a great Monday evening live stream with a Dogecoin giveaway. That's right, we gave away a Dogecoin souvenir during the live while we had celebration of our pre-Christmas holiday. A lot of people in the chat. It was a great time. Make sure to check my next live stream, which will be right after Christmas on Thursday, as we follow up these few days of trading. And where will Dogecoin price be then? Well, let's get into it. Let's take a look at the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here with the current Dogecoin chart, and we're just over 33 cents. Yes, this morning we did have a nice little run up to 33.4, 33.5. And so we'll see whether 33 cents holds and we see a continuation up. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has moved up over 96,000 and a lot of other alts are up as well. When we zoom out a little bit on the Dogecoin chart to our 2-hour chart, we still see that we are in this sideways trend right now. But now it looks like we're just about over halfway up. Will we be retesting 35 cents, which was resistance that we had back on Saturday? So we'll be continuing to watch that. So what is going on? Well, Dogecoin price has stabilized in a symmetrical triangle as market awaits next move. And I don't see it as a triangle so much, but we're just in that sideways pattern again with new support and new resistance. However, we have this Elliott wave structure that has been forming. And so we're looking at when we zoom out for the year and we look how Dogecoin has traded for the year, we have this wave of one, which was the big run up that we had back in March 2024. And then we had the bearish summer as wave 2. We had the electric November and big gains up to 48 cents as 3. And then we had this drop down to 26 as the 4. Where is the 5? Where is the next 5? That's what we're going to be watching. So relative strength index also, divergence confirms weakening momentum during wave 3. And we saw that as we were in the sort of upward trend, but yet the relative strength index was actually dropping. And then the big dip, which was that big leverage flush that we had, mostly on Bitcoin, billions of dollars of leverage, wiped out of the markets on that big dip. We needed to have that. We needed to have that dip before the next move up. So wave 5 is expected to push Dogecoin's price higher, potentially surpassing the previous peak of 48 cents. Price stabilization and an upward breakout will likely confirm wave 4's completion. So that sounds very bullish for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin price could go parabolic if alt season is about to materialize soon. So we'll be looking at, on the alt season, how we see what's happening with this transition from Bitcoin to ETH to all of the alts. That is on the backs of what is ETH doing. And so when we look at ETH, which has generally been pretty poor, performing very poorly, particularly against Bitcoin, we do know in the 4-year cycles, we've seen ETH do incredible gains 2017 and 2021. So could this be the next in 2025? January, February, March, April, could we also have huge gains in ETH again? And so this is the ETH chart again, looking back 2017 and 2021. Where will we see ETH in 2025? And Max says, I know everyone is annoyed with last week's price action, but my conviction remains unchanged regarding ETH versus Bitcoin. What is coming in the first half of 2025? ETH typically bottoms against Bitcoin in late Q4 of the Bitcoin halving year, and then alt season officially begins. So, bidding January 1st hard with everything I've got. That could be the turnaround that we see in ETH. Meanwhile, when we look at Dogecoin and we say, will history repeat a new Dogecoin price surge? And we've been looking at a number of different patterns and charts. Many market experts have recognized the surge in the Dogecoin price following the election. That November price run was awesome. Of course, again, we had the dip, and that was the correction we needed to have, I believe, before the next big run up. Similar fluctuations have occurred in the past as well. So, and we have Ali, of course, Ali, our good friend, who shows these charts. He's still repeating this 2021 pattern as a fractal up here and shows, the crazy $18, end of cycle price that, of course, I don't agree with at all. But again, I just show things Doge on my videos and, on my X posts, and just showing what's out there and what different people are looking at. And Ali is still showing that potential 2 more pumps in 2025, which could lead to that parabolic growth. So we'll see how that plays out. We also have this crucial demand area that is being retested. Some are saying Doge needs to come all the way back down to 20 cents to fill this gap. And I'm not in that category at all. I believe that flush that we had here, taking out all that leverage from the November run, was good enough, and that should satisfy the exchanges and the market makers, and we go up from there. So overall, the charts are looking great for Dogecoin, and we have this a bullish signal that Ali has also recognized on his TD sequential indicator that has flashed this buy signal. And so this is an indicator traders use to try to time price reversals, usually by considering the previous candle closes. So after the big dip, the big wick all the way down to 26.26 and back up, followed by a retest up and back down. There is the signal. That is the key to the next big run. And could this be, as I reposted on X, the Dogecoin 4-year pattern is playing out so far this cycle from a bear market slope down to a straight line pre-bull recovery in green. The next phase is the parabolic growth. Are you ready for Doge? We had that in 2017, 2 pumps. We had that in 2021, 2 pumps. And after this first sign of recovery, do we have 2 more pumps in Doge for 2025? So I will be giving my whole 2025 price prediction for Dogecoin on January 1st, which is now just 1 week away. So get ready for that. That's going to be a great overview of how the year looks to go from my perspective, as well as I will then be following up with my 100-day plan that I'm planning for in 2025. So watch for that as well. And we will follow up on all of that in my next live stream, which will be Thursday, followed by another one on Friday, going into the weekend before the new year. So a lot of things to continue to talk about Doge. I hope everyone has happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, all of that. I'll be taking a couple days off though now. Hope you enjoy the video. Leave a comment below. What do you think about this Dogecoin Christmas breakout? Give the video a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.